If your BMW 5 Series G30 key fob isn't working, the most common cause is a dead battery. These fobs use a CR2032 battery that typically lasts 1 to 3 years. You'll need a new CR2032 battery. Make sure to orient it correctly with the positive side up, marked by a plus sign or dot. To open the fob, insert a plastic pry tool into the small slot on the side near the key blade. Gently twist and lift to separate the halves. If the case is stuck due to adhesive, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer for 5 to 10 seconds to soften it. Remove the old battery carefully with a non-conductive tool, then insert the new CR2032, ensuring correct polarity. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons and trying to start the vehicle. Always use a plastic prying tool to avoid damaging the case or causing electrical shorts. If your remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, it might need repairing. Try cycling the ignition key in the driver's door lock, unlock, lock, unlock, while holding the fob's lock button. If this doesn't work, the issue could be a software glitch requiring a dealership reset using BMW's ISTA diagnostic tool. Always use a high-quality CR2032 battery, preferably from a reputable brand like Panasonic or Energizer, or a genuine BMW battery to avoid intermittent failures. Counterfeit or low-quality batteries are a common cause of persistent issues. If the fob was exposed to moisture, check for corrosion and clean the contacts. For fobs with glued seams that are hard to open, gentle heat and patience are key to avoid damaging the electronics inside.